The American alligator, Alligator mississippiensis, the ancient ruler of North America's wetlands, the alligator, it's also known as the American alligator, is one of the oldest reptile species still living on Earth today. It first appeared more than 37 million years ago and has changed very little since the age of dinosaurs, in other words, long before humans existed. The alligator was already the silent king of vast wetlands. The American alligator is the only alligator species native to the southeastern United States, with its range extending across states such as Florida, Louisiana, Georgia, Alabama, and into southern Texas. It inhabits freshwater environments including swamps, rivers, lakes, and marshes areas, rich in dense vegetation that provide perfect cover for ambush hunting. What makes this predator especially frightening is its incredible camouflage. When an alligator lies motionless in the water, only its eyes and nostrils remain visible, blending almost perfectly into the surrounding environment. In terms of size, the American alligator is the larger of the two living alligator species, the other being the Chinese alligator found in China. A typical adult may measure between 1.5 and 2.1 meters in length, but mature males average around 3.4 meters, while females are generally smaller, measuring about 2.5 to 3 meters. Large individuals usually weigh between 76 and 363 kilograms, and in rare cases, massive old males can exceed 4.3 meters in length and weigh more than 450 kilograms. The largest alligator ever recorded was captured in Louisiana in the early 20th century. It's measuring an astonishing 5.84 meters long and weighing approximately 1,000 kilograms. Another enormous individual from Florida was recorded at over 5.3 meters in length. These records confirm that the American alligator is among the largest reptiles ever to inhabit North America. The alligator's tail makes up nearly half of its total body length and plays a crucial role in survival. It provides powerful propulsion when swimming and also serves as a formidable defensive weapon. A single tail strike can knock down an enemy or stun prey. Although alligators appear slow and clumsy on land, they are capable of explosive bursts of speed over short distances. It's fast enough to catch prey completely off guard. American alligators have 5 sharp claws on each front foot and 4 on each hind foot, allowing them to dig burrows, climb riverbanks, and firmly grip prey. However, their most fearsome weapon is their jaws. Laboratory measurements have recorded bite forces of up to 9,452 newtons, making it one of the strongest bites ever measured in a living animal. This immense force allows an alligator to crush large bones, turtle shells, and virtually any prey unlucky enough to fall within reach. Interestingly, despite this incredible bite strength, the muscles used to open the jaws are relatively weak, so much so that a human could theoretically hold an alligator's mouth shut if they dared. Unlike many predators that chase their prey over long distances, alligators rely on ambush. They are masters of patience, capable of remaining perfectly still for hours or even days while waiting for the ideal moment. When prey comes close enough, the attack happens in less than a second fast, precise, and leaving almost no chance of escape. The diet of the American alligator is highly diverse. Juveniles feed on insects, small fish, and frogs. As they grow larger, they prey on turtles, birds, deer, wild boar, and even other alligators. Remarkably, alligators are extremely efficient at conserving energy. An adult can survive for months without eating, especially during colder seasons when its metabolism slows dramatically. One of the most fascinating aspects of alligator behavior is parental care, something rare among reptiles. Female alligators build nests from mud and vegetation and lay around 20 to 50 eggs as the eggs near hatching. The mother can hear the hatchlings calling from inside the shells and carefully helps them break free using her powerful jaws. She then gently carries the hatchlings in her mouth to the water and protects them during their early weeks of life. Another extraordinary Feature of alligator biology is that the sex of the hatchlings is not determined by genetics, but by the temperature of the nest. Higher temperatures produce more males, while cooler temperatures result in more females, an incredibly sophisticated natural mechanism. From an evolutionary perspective, the American alligator was first described in 1801 by French zoologist François-Marie Daudin, and later placed in the genus Alligator by Georges Cuvier in 1807. Fossil evidence shows that ancestors of modern alligators appeared during the late Cretaceous period, when dinosaurs still roamed the earth. Modern American alligators are also found in Pleistocene fossil records, confirming that they are true living fossils that have remained largely unchanged for millions of years in the past. Excessive hunting and habitat destruction caused American alligator populations to decline dramatically, pushing the species close to extinction. However, thanks to strict conservation programs in the United States, their numbers have recovered strongly, especially in Florida. Today, the American alligator is protected under federal law and stands as one of the greatest wildlife conservation success stories. The American alligator is not only a fearsome predator, but also a keystone species that plays a vital role in wetland ecosystems. Its presence helps maintain ecological balance, control prey populations, and create habitats that support many other forms of life. Ancient, powerful, patient, and resilient, the American alligator remains the silent ruler of North America's wetlands. If you find this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Which detail impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below and join the discussion. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel.